The plant pictured here is Pyrus communis, the pear. Pear trees can get 40 to 50 feet tall, and they do have a somewhat spreading habit, but not so much as an apple. It's more upright in growth than an apple. The bark, however, greatly resembles the bark of an apple. It has smooth, light gray bark with raised lenticels, and with age, that bark can become deeply fissured and scaly, as seen here. Also, like apples, pears have dwarf shoots, particularly on the old wood, and those are more easy to see in winter when the leaves have fallen off. On some of the newer growth, the new branches that are beginning to grow are very pointed, almost like thorns. Now, you may be starting to think to yourself, well, how do I tell it from an apple then? One way is the leaves. The leaves are ovate to orbicular in shape, with serrate leaf margins. They're a very glossy, glabrous leaf. Now, unlike apple, the leaves of pear are pretty uniform, and they're also very reticulate, both on the top of the leaf and on the leaf underside. So no matter what side of the leaf you're looking at, you can usually see all the minor network of veins on a Pyrus communis leaf. So much more uniform foliage on Pyrus communis than you'll find on an apple. And again, it is quite a bit glossier than an apple leaf as well. Here you can see the underside of a pear leaf, and again, the reticulate venation there. Pyrus communis is in the rose family, so once again, flower parts in fives, and for Pyrus communis we have white flowers with 5 petals. Now, unlike the flowers of an apple, you're not going to have that pink coloration on the outside of the petals. It's just going to be a pure white flower. And finally, we have the fruits. Now, the shape of a pear can vary. It can be round, or it can be top-shaped or teardrop-shaped, as in the picture on the right. They can be green, yellow, red, or brown in color, and typically you have pretty prominent maculation on a pear skin. It is, like an apple, a pome fruit. So with that, we conclude our discussion of Pyrus communis, the pear.